Senior Secondary, Khairmarg, Aligarh. I am conduct here class 9, best class 10 and group discussions and our debate in topic online study and offline study. The topic is here we have two wonderful teams. These teams of class 10 and these teams of class 9. The captain of this team is Madhvi and the captain of this team is Pari. Madhvi, what topics do you suggest?
We are in support of online studies.
You are supporting of online study, okay? And Pari, you are supporting to offline study. Then these students are doing a great good discussions between online study and offline study. So first of all, I will invite Madhvi. Please, Madhvi, break the ice and start your topic.
You all are in support of offline studies.
Because in offline study we have a lot of profit. We have to go away for taking offline coachings, and this is create a lot of benefit to us, our health. If we walk to a little distance, then it is good for our health, and also it does not affect our eyes. In online studies, the screen of mobile, the flash of light will affect our eyes. It can cause our eyes problem. In offline study, this will not happen.
But here in online studies we have many options. We can study from other apps. We can see many videos.
In offline studies, there is one more profit, and that is if we have a doubt, then we can consult with our teacher into face to face. But in online study, this will not happen. Yeah, in some places this can happen, but not in every place. In offline studies, we can solve our doubts with our teacher face to face.
We have choose so many teachers in online studies as compared to offline studies.
According to me, in offline study, the teachers are more good, more better than online study teachers, because they can solve our doubts and also they can understand our feelings. In online studies, this can't happen. Online studies, teachers can't understand our feeling and does not interact with all the students present in the class. But offline study teachers can interact with all the students present in the class.
But also the online teachers only tell from their own perspective instead of understanding ours.
But there is a time loss in offline studies. One more thing.
The time online are physical activities when we walk towards the school and the other places. While in online studies, we only sit on one place and watching the lecture.
But if the offline studies are more better than the online studies, then why in the corona phase the online studies are preferred to the students?
Because we can't go out of our homes, and we are supposed to be in our homes and not to interact with each other. So we are supposed to be online than offline.
You have to remember that in online studies during corona time, there will be a lot of disadvantages happen to us, the damage of our eyes and a lot of problems. Some people do not have smartphones to study, laptops or any digital device, so there will be a lot of disadvantages faced in that time during corona.
I agree that there are many disadvantages in the online studies, but our science have developed more and more, and it makes spectacles like blue lenses for our eye protections from the mobile flash.
Just a minute.
Online mobile phone affects our health much. If we are still using eye comfort shield, then it still affects our health with using the eye shield.
Sometimes there will be a network problem during online studies, but there is not a problem happen in the offline studies. So there is one more advantage of
But in the online studies, we can prefer to change our teachers if we are not understandable to the teacher. But in offline studies, we can't do this. We have to prefer one teacher only.
In offline study, we can consult our teacher that we are not understanding your topic, we are not understanding what you are teaching
They
us.
can help us in more better way when we are not able to understand there.
Okay, now tell me the answer of one question. If offline study is not good, then what's the need of school? What's the need of coachings, offline coachings?
School is the purpose to take our degrees, to have a job. But in online coaching, we have no need to give a fees, and this is very useful for the poor peoples.
You are not paying the teachers, but you are indirectly paying the internet to watch these lectures. So you can't say that you are not paying that.
And let me tell you one thing, according to me and according to all of us, the online coaching fees is much higher than the offline coaching fees. Let's take an example, the fees of Byju's classes. Will they tell me the fees of Byju's classes is more or the fees of our school is more? Tell me.
But I object one thing, if there is offline study is good, then why the most of the people use Google? If there are teachers, offline teachers, we suggest many ways to understand the topics, then why people use instead Google?
Google gives a very informative and detailed study of every topic.
It is online.
It is online, but we can still use, if we are not, we can discuss many things in our friend circle and other teachers with our teachers and our mentors. We can discuss with them the topic. They can, the perspective of every person has very much in the comparison of Google.
And we can consult all the things, all our doubts to our offline teachers instead of using Google.
But and there is one more thing, we can play some games in offline studies, and instead of online study we can't do this.
Online study will not teach us that how to play in a group of friends in the ground, but offline study teaches, and offline study is much better because it is doing practical studies instead of online study.
But there is a great distraction to our studies in offline studies, because in offline studies we have our friends and we will talk to them, but in online study we are fully focused on our studies. So what are you think
I will
about
say
it?
one thing. You said this is distraction in offline studies. I'll tell you one thing. This is more distraction in online studies when we use other apps like YouTube for watching lectures and other education platforms. We are distracted more by other social media platforms
Yes, she
like
is right.
Instagram, YouTube. In offline studies, in offline we only talk to our friends. This is not a distraction.
We concern our friends, our doubts in group study. But in online studies, we have much more distraction than the offline study.
Yeah.
You cannot say this that offline study causes distraction.
Yeah, she's right.
But in
This
offline,
depends on
yes.
This depends on us that we are going to another platforms on social media. But if we are focused on our studies, we go to the study platform like Physics Wala and the YouTube videos of Khan sir. Why the teachers are famous?
I tell you a scientific way of this. According to science, our mind only focused on a particular thing for only 40 minutes. You can't hold a person's concentration for more than 40 minutes. You will get distracted about 40 minutes or 30 minutes.
You are absolutely right that science describes that we are able to focus about 40 minutes in any topics. But in offline studies, we are also able to focus on 40 minutes. Then after that, we are going to distracted.
Just a minute,
the
in
offline
offline
teachers-
studies, after studying 40 minutes, we can play a game with our friends in ground. But in online studies, what do we do after teaching 40 minutes? We play games in mobile phones and digital devices. We saw YouTube videos and etc. etc.
Yes, she is right. It causes harms in our health and more diseases caused in our body.
And I say one thing, when you said we get distracted in offline, when we study offline, the offline teachers are like when we are distracting, when we are not focusing on our topic. They tell us funny stories about themselves and make us the environment very like we can study there.
Yes, she
And
is
we
right.
can interact with we can make much friends in offline studies, but in online studies we can't make as much friends as in offline study.
But there is an objective. In classes, there is a some students are sleeping in the class. They are not focusing on the study.
Then the teacher will tell us, why do you sleeping? The teacher will tell us. But in online studies, we can off our camera and then sleep. It is our wish. We eat, we drink, we play. The teacher will not tell us what do you do. The teacher will not interact with us in
And
online
there is
studies.
one more point. The students will learn some discipline in school. Otherwise, in online classes, the student will do not know how to live in school, how to live in how to behave like other elders.
But there is one
Offline
more thing.
schools give more exposure to us towards our studies and other things.
But there is one more thing. Due to offline studies, the students take much pressure, and there is a case before G exam. You all know G exam. There is before 2 days of exam, 2 children write suicide note and then suicide due to mental pressure from their families and the teachers.
What do we do in online studies? What do we do in online studies? We prepare for our exams with the online studies. Does we not study in the online study? If we preparation for a NEET exam, IIT exam, we study from the online classes, and this can be happen that student will take under pressure from their parents. It will not
This can
compulsory
also
that.
happen in online studies. We are
cannot
studying
say
in both the
this.
ways. We are also studying in offline and also studying in online. This stress you are talking about can have in more ways.
Suppose we have any health issue, we can't go to the school and any offline coachings. So as compared to online classes is the best.
Does our health will not affect if we take the online classes? It affect our eyes. It affects our mind.
But technology is more.
We accept that technology is more, but the offline schools give more exposure to our health also. It develops our mental and physical way of thinking.
And our offline studies, will take a path to this technology. If online study will not happen, then the technology is not anything in this.
But I object. In offline studies, the teachers are beating mercilessly to us. If we are in 10th standard, we know that the pressure of board examinations, the pressures of board examination are very high. But the teachers gave us more pressure about our practicals, our files, and etc. etc.
This is not happen everywhere. This is not happen everywhere. In that case, we can tell our parents about this, and this will not. This is not compulsory that this not happen in online classes. Tell me, did not the online classes teachers will not blackmail us? They can blackmail us.
I object. They are not blackmailing us. They are motivating us about our board examinations. And you are talking about the blackmailing. But our offline teachers, the teachers are also blackmailing us in that way.
That they will
but
not give us marks. But some teachers give us challenge that if we do not submit our projects or files work, they will not give us marks. Then what?
They are only supposed to that we complete by threatening us. They can get the work completed by us.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. But in offline studies, the teachers explain the topics only one time. But in online classes, in online studies, we are not able to understand
Just
the
a
topic.
minute, just a minute.
Understand.
As much time we see the online classes in our digital devices, it cause much health. It cause much effect to our eyes.
We have explained this topics after some time later, but this is our technologies had developed more, so we can protect our eyes from the flashes. But in offline coachings, you are able to understand the topics again and again.
Yeah, we can consult our teacher as much. We can ask our teachers if we do not understand any topic. Our offline teachers will not.
You are right that we can understand more topics in offline coachings, but in online coachings, as compared to offline coachings,
So guys, we have a great discussions with both the teams, class 10th and class 9. I hope the value of both the study is very good. Online study give us so much effective. We can study more and more time, and offline study is very good because we can connect the teachers with emotions. And here is the topic of the group discussion, and we all follow the rules of our discussions that we have to our side. So this is the last of group discussion. Jai Shri Ram. I am the team with who support offline study, and here they give their experience about this group discussions. Yes, you can. First of all, give your name.
My name is Vikhyati Saraswat.
My name is Pari Upadhyay.
My name is Anshika Chauhan from Saraswati Vidya Mandir.
My name is Vaishnavi Gupta. My name is Sanisha Jadhav.
Yes, how you feel in this group discussion? Can this group discussion again conduct in your classes or not?
Yes, we can.
Yes, share your experience.
It was a great experience. We learned about the online and offline, both the versions were very good, and we learned also the online side is very much effective towards our studies.
Yes, Pari, you have done very good in this group discussions. Please share your experience.
We learned a lot of things from this discussion, and both the studies, online study, offline study, both have disadvantages and advantages.
Yes, now you can share.
Yes, I agree with ma'am, because before the group discussion, I did not know how group studies in offline study and online study are more important for us. It will more affect our eyes and etc. that these are discussing in group discussion.
Now, Vaishnavi, share your view.
I feel very well, and this is a great discussion.
Yes. Now, Anisha,
I
in this group
feel
discussion.
very good because
Yes. Can we conduct this group discussion again?
Yes.
Yes. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello guys, I am here with the team who supported online study, and these are the girls of class 10th. Here we can discuss in my blog how was the experience of this group discussion. Have you participated in this group discussion? I think first time.
Yes,
Yes, Sia, please introduce.
My name is Sia Agrawal from SVM. It's my first time I was participate in this, but it was a great experience. We studied that both the studies are very important. Every study had good points and negative points, but we studied about that in this group discussion.
My name is Shraddha, and I feel very good because online studies and offline studies are very good. Both have negative and both have positive. All the studies are best. And I will thank you to my ma'am that she conduct a group discussion between our 9th and 10th class.
My name is Madhu Sharma. I am student of Saraswati Vidya Mandir class 10th. I participate in group discussions in second time. When I was participating in the group discussion first time, I am very hesitate. But in this time, I am the captain of this team, and my participants had performed very good. And I am feeling very excited to this group discussion. And I thank to my subject teacher, Mrs. Pooja Parashar, to conduct this activity again. Thank you.
Okay. Now,
Shivani Vashne, this was a very great experience for me because I participated in the first time in the group discussion for class 9th and 10th. We have so many knowledge gained for online and offline classes. Thank you.
My name is Tamanna Rawat. I participate this group discussion is first time. This group discussion is very great, and 9th class of girls are very good, and both classes are very good.
but Tamanna, you speak very less in group discussions. Are you hesitate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why are you hesitate? You are in 10th class.
Because this group discussion is my first time.
Okay, you can participate in second time with me, and you have to break your hesitation. Please girls, please tell me this types of activity in your class conduct again or not?
Yes.
Okay, all the best for your future. Thank you all the best for your exam.
घायल परिंदा है तू, दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला है। तेरे जुनून के आगे अंबर